Tecno has launched its new budget smartphone under Spark series in India called Tecno Spark 9. Talking about the specifications, the Tecno Spark 9 features a tall 6.6-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR G8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3, 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Tecno Spark 9 supports a dual camera setup in a large squarish module at the top left corner that includes one 13MP main camera with a 1.85 aperture along with the unspecified secondary lens, and it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, and it runs on latest Android 12 based on iOS 8.6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with DTS powered sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.57 by 76 by 8.95mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Tecno Spark 9 has been listed to be priced in India at 9,499 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 23rd in Sky Mirror and Infinity Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Spark 9 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.